Okay, what we got here is the center console for a 2008 Lexus GS350. Now, the center console lid, if you're like myself, you have a bad habit of putting your elbow right on that same spot. And I've already replaced it. I'll show you how I did it in a second. Here is the old one, and here is where I put my elbow. So needless to say, you know, the car is old, but that one spot just wears out. And if you go on eBay, where I bought this lid, there was probably 3 or 4 at any given time, ranging anywhere from 75, 80 bucks up to 130. This one I got for $90. There's nothing wrong with it. It looks great. Anyway, to pop it in, it's really easy. You jam a spatula or a screwdriver. I use a little spatula right here, and it pops right off. So this vent comes off, and then there's 4 screws right here. See these 4? 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. You simply take those off, and then you have to, as you can see, it's held in place, you know, by this bracket here in the rear of the lid. Very simple. Pop them off, put the new one on. It's as simple as it sounds. And then go ahead and just we'll replace the console by popping it back in, and you're good to go. I couldn't find anybody else that did this on YouTube, so hope this helps. Good luck.